Welcome. This essay is a simple guide to running a hotel front office. We are going to break down the key terms you need to know. Think of this as your playbook for understanding room status, basic hotel math, how bookings are handled. The front office is the command center of the hotel, and communication is everything. When everyone speaks the same language, the operation runs smoothly, guests stay happy, the business succeeds. This guide will give you the foundational knowledge to understand the daily flow of a busy hotel property. This information is crucial for anyone working in hospitality, front desk agent, general manager. It is also helpful for anyone curious about how hotels manage their most important asset, rooms. We will cover the essential vocabulary that housekeeping front office teams. Knowing these terms ensures that a room is ready for a new guest at the right time, preventing delays and confusion. First up, let's define the room status codes. These are the short, simple labels used by every department. A vacant room means there is no guest inside it right now. The room is empty. For example, room 301 is vacant after the guest checked out and before housekeeping has entered. Next is clean. A clean room has been fully serviced by housekeeping and inspected by a supervisor. It is officially ready for the next guest. For instance, the system shows room 205 is clean and ready to be assigned. These two statuses are what the front desk looks for when selling rooms to new arrivals. Then we have the statuses for rooms that are not ready. A dirty room is a room that a guest has checked out of and it is now waiting to be cleaned. Housekeeping will see room 410 is dirty on their list and know it needs service. An occupied room means a guest is currently registered to that room and is staying in it. For example, the Smith family is in room 502, so it is marked as occupied. No one else can be assigned to this room until they have officially checked out and the room is clean. We also have statuses that tell us about the guest's plans for the night. A stayover indicates that the guest currently in the room is not checking out today. They are staying at least one more night. The guest in room 112 is a stayover, so housekeeping will provide a light service instead of a full cleaning. In contrast, a departure means the guest is expected to check out today. Accurate room status is the result of great teamwork. Several roles are responsible for updating this information throughout the day. The process starts with the housekeepers. As they finish cleaning and preparing each room, they update its status from dirty to clean. Dirty, clean. This might be done through a phone system tablet or radioing their supervisor. The head housekeeper or supervisor then inspects the room. Once they confirm it meets the hotel's standards, they give the final approval in the property management system, making the room officially available to sell to an arriving guest. The front desk team also plays a critical role. When a guest checks in, the agent changes the room status from clean to occupied. Clean, occupied. When a guest checks out, they change it from occupied to dirty, occupied, dirty. The night auditor is the final checkpoint. This person works the overnight shift and has the vital job of reconciling all the hotel's records. They are the quality control expert who ensures every piece of data aligns before the next business day begins, making sure the system is clean and correct for the morning team. Hotels live and die by their numbers. Really, there are a few key performance indicators, or KPIs, that every front office manager watches closely. The first is the room rate, the price a guest pays for one night. Next is occupancy. What percentage of your hotel is full? Formula: rooms, occupied, total rooms, available. Then there is ADR, or average daily rate. ADR shows the average price paid for each room sold. Formula: total room revenue, rooms occupied. These numbers give a snapshot of daily performance. Two other KPIs give a deeper view of financial health. RevPAR, revenue per available room, is critical. It shows how well the hotel monetizes its entire inventory, not just sold rooms. Formula: total room revenue, total rooms available. A high RevPAR signals a very healthy business. Finally, there is labor. Labor is a major cost category, not just a rate. It includes salaries and wages. It includes benefits. It covers managers. It covers hourly workers. Labor costs are watched carefully. Not all reservations are created equal. They are usually broken down into three main types based on how they are guaranteed. The first is a guaranteed, prepayment reservation. For this type, the guest pays for their stay in full before they arrive. For example, a guest books a non-refundable rate, for a resort vacation and pays the entire amount online. The next type is the most common, a guaranteed payment card reservation. Here, the hotel holds the guest's credit card information. If the guest fails to show up, the hotel can charge them a penalty, usually equal to one night's stay. The third type is a non-guaranteed reservation. With this booking, the hotel agrees to hold the room for the guest without any form of payment up front. However, this hold is only valid until a specific cutoff time, which is typically 4 p.m., 6 p.m. If the guest has not arrived by that time, the hotel has the right to cancel the reservation and sell the room to someone else. This type of reservation is less common today because it poses a higher financial risk to the hotel if the guest is a no-show. Once a guest is at the hotel, their financial transactions are tracked in one of two main ledgers. The first is the guest ledger. This ledger holds the accounts of all the guests who are currently staying in the hotel. It includes their room charges, it includes taxes, it includes incidental charges, room service. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and share. Visit our site for more hospitality guides.